I think the Franchisee India Show and the Entrepreneurship Summit both have been very nice events. And Franchisee India is known to be one of the pioneers in the industry, specifically leading to retail and franchising opportunities. And since we as a company are today starting to look at broadened opportunity beyond the company owned and company operated retail operations to potential sub-segmented opportunities in the franchising area, I think it's relevant for us to be able to get some good networks and look at these forums to be able to take those kind of opportunities further. The current challenges which we are grappling and working on are the areas of looking at retail expansion, primarily linked to the supply of real estate infrastructure. Since we are primarily about large format and destination retailing, we generally have requirements which range between 8,000 to 15,000 square feet of covered areas. And primarily the urbanized cities falling into the metros, tier 1s and tier 2 segments. Since the availability of quality real estate at affordable pricing is a constraint, we are today working with a lot of developers and we opened up a lot many more markets on pan-India horizon to speed up our expansion in such circumstances. The second element of constraints is the area of manpower, because this industry is very, very manpower intensive. And at the end of the day, the brand ambassadors are the people who actually culminate in translating the brand values to the customer experience. And that's what actually makes the business succeed. I think there are more than enough proven historical examples, be it the Indian sector in terms of opening up FDI in areas like telecom and other related segments, as well as in areas which pertain to other countries where FDI has always been welcomed and eventually has proved to be successful ecosystem for viability of traditional retailing as well as modern retailing. Therefore, I think that the current sense of nervousness spread in terms of FDI impact on traditional traditional Indian retail is actually a little unfounded. Yes, it will definitely pave way for the entry of foreign competition. There will be opportunities for customers with better choices, better prices, better services, and therefore overall a better experience. And therefore, all the segments in the Indian context, be it the traditional Indian retailers or be it the modern Indian retailers, will all have to necessarily go ahead and work themselves to be able to adapt to the growing environment. I would encourage the organizers to keep up the same impetus to take the show and the entire opportunity segment of retail and franchising to newer heights. And I think it's a great country with great opportunities, and I think let's make the best of it in a collaborative sense.